So I have shared a link in the chat box. Maybe you can start downloading it from this link after clicking this link. So there will be two kind of folder. One is the Excel that Sheetal will be taking, and the other one is the Power BI. It is through we transfer data. Just see if you can able to download.
Shona, I just tried calling Rashish, but unfortunately he's not picking up. I'll send him a message, but I think either if you want to wait a few more minutes or we can start.
Maybe we can wait for another 2 minutes and 2 to 3 minutes, and then we can start off.
Right. I think yeah, we can wait for 2 to 3 minutes.
Mr. Giovanni has tried to reach the person,
Yes,
but
yeah. So I heard that.
yes.
Okay. Meanwhile, I'll request everyone to download the links. Okay, it is a WeTransfer link. Let me share my screen slowly so that you can understand what I'm trying to say here. So this is what the link we have shared to you, if you can see. And here there are how many? 8 files are there. One thing is the PPT. Anyways, I have shared to you the book basically for Power BI and the topics of Excel and Power BI. Day one, day two are the Excel files. Excel basic. This is also Excel file. Insurance data is also Excel. This is also an Excel file, and the requirement TXT and data CSV both are Power BI file. Have anybody tried to download this? Please let me know.
He has messaged in the chat box.
Super. And we want this sessions more interactive, so you can unmute yourself and you can try to engage more dialogues. Right? We don't want any one-way traffic. We want a two-way traffic. All right. With that note, I think.
At least start off with the introduction and getting their introduction.
Yes. Over to you, please.
Great. Thank you so much, Shwarna. And good morning to each one of you here. Today's session, we'll try to make it very lively and we'll get going. So, my name is Sheetal and I'm associated with KPI Consulting and I've been associated in the learning and development domain. I'm very excited to be your faculty and lead this session because we've seen, how powerful Excel and Power BI can be to transform how we work with data. Now, even when it comes to real world challenges when we work on data, I'm sure these two, Excel and Power BI, the course would definitely help you in many ways. So before we proceed, just to give you a heads up about what I would be covering today, we would be doing introduction to Excel, paste special, and we'll also do a bit about clipboard, and we'll have a quick round of MCQs before we wind up the session for today and move to Power BI session. So before I start off, it would be nice if you can open your cameras and give me a quick introduction, a brief introduction about yourself and your background, so we get to know each other before we start. So we can start off. I think Mr. Rashid. Yes, you can start.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much. You are Miss Shwarna.
I'm Sheetal.
Sheetal. Okay. Sorry. So
I am Swarna.
starting with myself.
Sheetal is.
Okay. Good. Thank you. So my name is Rashid Mohapali. As you can see on the screen, I'm supply chain manager at Elgawa NV. Algawa is doing electrical installations, HVAC installations, and a lot of things in Suriname and Guyana. So I'm using a lot of Excel. I did a little Power BI. I took some trainings, but if you don't work with the stuff, you forget it very quickly. So what my level of Excel, let's say I'm intermediate, but sometimes a lot of functions you don't use also, so you forget also. So that's why I'm here to learn more and combine Excel with Power BI possibilities. So that is why I'm here.
Great.
Yes.
Thank you for your quick introduction. Nice having you.
Thank
Who
you.
would be next? Ms. Chikita, would you want?
And Rashid, one question I have: how many years of experience you have altogether?
You mean work experience?
Yes, yes.
Oh, I'm in supply chain already almost 20 plus years. Procurement and supply chain.
Okay.
Wonderful.
You're
Yes,
an
yes.
industry veteran, I would say. And what is the purpose? I mean, if you can just a few one-liner, what is the purpose of joining this workshop?
So we are doing dashboards also, for instance, and you can do a lot of things with Excel also, but now you want to go to the next level and use Power BI also on the next level, let's say. So you can do a lot of visualization. Excel, you can do a lot of calculations. So those combination will help the company very well, making advanced dashboard and using for the company to better management and that kind of things.
Okay. So already you are in
Yes.
the intermediate level, kind of, right? So
Yes.
you're not a beginner or fresher.
No.
Okay. Okay.
Not the beginner.
Got it.
Yes.
Got it. Thank you, Rashid.
Thank you.
Yes, good morning, everyone. My name is Chiquita Rezo
Good
Mardono.
morning.
Good morning. I'm working for VSH Holding, which is a group company with 14 subsidiaries in Suriname, Guyana, America, and Holland. I'm the Chief People and Sustainability Officer. I have around 20 plus year experience in environmental management and 5 years experience in sustainability reporting. My main goal with following this training is to make better dashboards for our sustainability reporting. I already have data of the past 4 years, and I hope to improve our reporting, considering our sustainability performance. Considering my knowledge in Excel is the same as Mr. Rashid. It's also intermediate.
Great. I think we have all intermediate to advanced level session. Should we? Okay. Thank you, Ms. Chikita. I got to know about you. Okay. Thank you. Girish.
Yes, good morning, everyone, again.
Good morning.
Yes, my name is Girish Nashing. I am a student still at the University of Applied Science and Technology. I am a software engineering student. I also work at Algawa. I am the IT technician there. And yeah, like Mr. Rashid said previous, is they want to implement KPI dashboards and those kinds of things in the company. And I am here to learn about it and assist every department in the organization with making these dashboards. And what experience, I'd say with Excel, I'm kind of a beginner. I don't have much knowledge of Excel, but Power BI, I have already worked with it. So I'd say that I'm a little bit on the intermediate side.
Okay.
Yes.
So it should be a kind of advanced session, but we don't know that much in advance. But we'll try to provide to the satisfaction level whatever we can. Great. Okay. Sheetal, over to you. You can proceed.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful, understanding your backgrounds and,
Thank you.
so let's start off quickly with today's session. So since you all are at least aware of what is Excel, let me just tell you, it is a wonderful spreadsheet program, okay? And it is a part of Microsoft Suite. It helps us in reporting, budgeting, auditing, and also doing data analysis and creating dashboards, okay? Now, suppose I'm to ask you, which Excel version, how do you just open an Excel sheet? Can you all open your Excel sheets? Just a normal blank Excel page. Okay. Now I am to ask you, which version of Excel you're working on. Then how do you tell me that? Anybody wants to, say if they know about it, or maybe I can just help you all with it. So anybody, how to look into the version of Excel that you are working on? Okay, so what you need to do is, when you want to know the version of Excel that you're on, you need to go to File. Can you see this File tab here?
No, Sheetal, your screen is not visible. If you can share.
Okay, So I'll just share my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Great. So to know which version of Excel you are working on, you can see all these tabs here. You need to go to the File tab, okay? And then there is something called More down. When you click on More, you need to go to Accounts. And you can see on the right side, you get your product information, the version of Excel that you're working on. Now, my version is MS Office Professional Plus 2021. So that's the way you look at, the version of Excel that you're working on. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Great. Now, like I said, Excel is a spreadsheet program. Okay, you can add many workbooks in a single, page, like in a spreadsheet. So here you can add up to about now there's sheet 1, sheet 2. So you can keep on adding many workbooks, like up to 255, spreadsheets can be added here. Okay, so you all know Excel works with rows and columns. I'm sure you're working day in and day out on this. So just to understand, rows run horizontal in Excel. Can you see these? Rows are running horizontal. Can you see the numbers? And they're always in numbers, rows. Can you see
Yes.
1, 2, 3, all these are highlighted? Great.
Yes.
And the columns run vertical. Can you see they are alphabetically placed?
Yes.
Correct? Now, what is a cell? The intersection of any row and column is called a cell. Now, let me say my mouse pointer is, let's say, here. So how will you keep looking at it? Now, this is okay because it's in the first. You can see that I'm on cell number C, I'm in 5. But, when you're working with large data sets, then, it'll be very monotonous to keep looking like that. So the easiest way is you can get to see there is a name box here. Can you see this name box here?
Yes.
Yes.
This shows my cell number. The C highlights the column number. I mean, the column that I'm working on. My column is C and the row number is 5. Another best thing you can do is, when you, let's say you're somewhere here and it's, okay, let's say we are here and we alphabetically cannot sit and count, O. So what you can do is you can just put equal to row, open and close parenthesis, and you'll get that you're on row number 19. Okay. Similarly, when you want to see the column number that you're working on, then you can just type equal to column, open and close a parenthesis, and you get the column number. Can you see this?
Yep.
Okay. So is that okay up to now?
Yeah.
Great. So in Excel, all these things that you see here, file, home, insert, page layout, there are many things like these. These are called as tabs. Okay. And all these things that you can see here, like clipboard, font, alignment, number, these are set of related commands. Okay. These are set of related commands. So if I'm made to ask you all, how many rows in Excel you have? So what would you tell me? Do you know the number of rows in Excel? Anybody would like to answer?
No, I don't know.
Great. Okay, so what you need to do for that is, you need to press Control and right arrow and press Control and down arrow. You will see the total number of rows that we have in Excel. Can you see the number here? It's 10,48,576 rows. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So all you need to do is Control right arrow and Control down arrow. You will see the last number of the row here, 10,48,576. And you can go back. Now, if I'm to ask you the number of columns, any guesses? The number of columns in Excel?
I think Control and the arrow to the right.
Okay. Oh, so what number would this be? Very challenging, right? So since columns are alphabetically placed here, so it would be difficult for us to understand how many number of columns we have. So for that, you need to go to something called File. You go to More, and then you have Options. When you go to Options, you have something called Formulas here. Okay, and when you click on this, when you check this box R1C1 reference style, you will see that the columns have been numbered now. Can you see that on the top? Your columns have now been numbered instead of alphabets.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now when you press Control and right arrow, you can see that you have 16,384 columns in Excel.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So it's about more than 10,48,000 rows and more than 16,300 columns. Is that clear?
Yes.
Great, great. And then again, you can uncheck it back. Like you need to go back to Options, you go to Formulas, and when you uncheck this R1C1 reference style, you will see that it goes back alphabetically. Okay. Now you can see these rectangular boxes. You know what are they called in Excel? Someone would like to answer? Like these. Can you see these lines?
Yes.
So they
The
are,
cell?
yeah, that, okay, it's cell, the intersection of row and column. But these lines that are running continuously, you know,
Oh,
those are called as grid lines. They are called as grid lines. Okay.
grid.
And when you work on dashboards, okay, you don't want to have these lines. So what do? You go to view, go to this view tab, and then uncheck your grid lines. You see that it becomes like a blank book. Did you see? All those lines have disappeared. And when I click back on grid lines, my grid lines have come up. Correct? Is it clear till now?
Yes.
Yes.
Great, great. So if there's any doubt, you can always please, ask me back, and I would definitely be happy to help you all. So Mr. Swarna had shared a link with you. So I would request you all to open something on Clipboard. There is a file which says Clipboard. Can you all open that? It says Excel Basic Clipboard.
Yes.
Have you all opened that?
Yes.
Great. So I'll be sharing my screen, and you can also simultaneously work along. So yeah, can you see this? I'm sure you all have the same file, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is my sheet 1, which has about 10 data. And then you can see my sheet 2, which has data from, let's say, 11 to 30. And my sheet 3 that has data from, let's say, 31 to 50. So I had taken an insurance data set here. However, not just insurance, any business insights, we work with a lot of data, correct? So constantly we are dealing with a large number of data. And the reason we are working on this file today is because it reduces your, time. It saves your time, to do a task. Now, let us say here, I want to collate this data into one. I want to bring it to one sheet. Like my sheet number 1 has up to 10. And then again from 11 to 30. And then, from here up to 50, I want it in sheet number 1. So normally what we do is we, cut, copy, paste, and that takes a lot of time, which is why Clipboard works like a temporary inbuilt memory. And today we will see how useful it is to work on it. Okay. So suppose I want this data in one sheet. I'm a new joinee and my manager tells me, okay, now you have to collate all this data into one. I'm not going to sit and copy paste and, consume a lot of time there. What I need to do is highlight these cells, press Control C. Are you all with me?
Yes.
Go to Clipboard. Here you can see this Clipboard. And you can see that this has appeared here. Okay. Similarly, you need to go to the second sheet. And then again, when you go to Clipboard, you need to copy that. And you can see the second sheet has also been copied in the Clipboard. Correct? Are you all trying?
Yes.
I mean, is there any difficulty? Please feel free to share. So, do you want me to reshare it again?
Yes, please.
Yes, that's from the beginning.
Okay. So all you need to do is, for this kind of thing, just press Control Shift and right arrow, Control Shift and down arrow, and press Control C. Highlight everything. Just copy this and click on Clipboard. I'll restart it. 1 minute. Just give me a second. I will just restart it. Okay, so I copy this and I go to Clipboard. Can you see that this thing appears here? Is my screen visible to you all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Similarly, go to sheet number 2, highlight the cells, press Control C. It automatically will come down to your clipboard.
Yeah.
And now I go to sheet number 3, and again I highlight, and when I press Control C, it will come to clipboard again. What you can do is open a new spreadsheet. I mean, open a new sheet. And then all you need to do is click Paste All. Did you see that?
Yeah.
So all your data got copied into one sheet instead of being split into different sheets. So Clipboard can, handle up to 24 items. Please make a note of it. Clipboard can handle up to 24 items. So 24 times you can, copy your things and, paste whatever information you want. Even if I would just wanted my policy ID and customer name, even that could have been copied, but I've copied the entire data. So clipboard works like a temporary memory. So is it clear?
Yes.
Great. So
Yeah.
can we proceed further?
Yeah.
Great. So let me quickly ask you all, how many items can clipboard handle?
24.
24.
Great. You're a wonderful audience. I'm sure all of you are listening to me. So good. Great. So today we would be taking an important topic, which is called Paste Special. Okay. Have you all worked on Paste Special?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. Mainly for copying into your presentations or yes, right?
Mm.
Yes, correct.
Great. So Paste Special, helps you in precise data handling and efficient data analysis. Not only that, it helps you in accurate data manipulation. Like when you're copying some data and you do not want to highlight the formulas, but you want only the values, it will help you in that. It will also help you in cleaning your data and also helps you to perform, simple operations without complex formulas. So my request to you all is in that file, you have something called Insurance Data Paste Special. Could you all open that file? In the meantime, I'll also share my screen. Have you all opened it? And is my screen visible?
Yes.
One second, I'll just... Can you all see my screen here?
Yes.
Do you all have the
Yes,
same sheet?
Yes.
Great. So open the first sheet which says paste SP values, paste special values. Okay, have you all opened that?
Yes.
Meanwhile, just pay attention to my data set. Now here I have an insurance data set which has policy ID, the customer name, the age, the gender, the policy type that they hold, the premium amount, the coverage amount, the claim amount, the active years of their policy that they have, which city they live, which state they are in, assuming they have a risk score as well. Okay. So in this data, like if a customer wants to know what is the premium he needs to pay this month, okay? So you need to, it's pretty simple for a professional to calculate the monthly, amount that they need to pay. Whatever is their premium amount of the customer here, by the 12 months will give that he needs to pay this, okay? So when this plus sign, can you see here below the number here? Yeah, that will help me autofill. When I double click, the formulas you can see get copied to the other cells, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Correct. So these are called as these are called as referencing in Excel, which we will discuss during our next session, further sessions. And let's say now if I'm to copy this and put it, here, okay, I will get a different value and it is not correct, okay? So here what happens is you need to, and suppose for a reporting case, okay, you don't have to show your formulas, or let us see what happens. So when I just highlight these, okay, and when I copy this and then I go here, okay, and I go to, can you see this column called paste?
Yes.
It has a drop down arrow. You need to click on that and go to something called paste special down. Okay, did you see that?
Yeah.
So I'll highlight these cells. I go to paste special and I say values. Can you see this values?
Yes.
Great. And when I click that, you will see that the paste special has copied this. Okay, now you'll say, what is the use of this? It has just copied something. It has done the same thing. No. You can see here the formulas are not copied. Can you see that? Here when I click, my formula is visible. But when I click here, you'll see that only my values have been copied, but not my formula. Now I'll say, what is the use of it? Okay. Let us say you are to prepare a report and somehow your premium amount gets changed. Okay, let me say the first one is 1,200. Let me change it to 2,500. Did you see the formula one changed, but the values did not change? So these kind of things help you in reporting and, hide. Sometimes you will not be able to send all the details to your clients. So in that way, Paste Special will help your reporting work easier, and your monthly amounts also will not change even if your premium has to be, modified later. Up to here, it's clear?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
No, correct?
Correct.
Anybody wants to ask something? Shall we proceed?
Yes.
Okay, I'm only hearing Ms. Chikita. I'm not hearing the other participants.
Yes, it's okay for me also.
Great.
Yeah, sure.
Great. So now in insurance companies, generally what happened is they have to, do a premium adjustment based on the risk score of the participants. Okay. So in real world business reporting, we often use formulas for dynamic calculations, correct? So sometimes we just want to freeze our result, like I said, okay, freeze our result or avoid accidental edits, of maybe for our reporting purpose. So the actual way of calculating the premium, I mean, here, I don't know, it may not be actually relevant to your stream, but however, let's understand the concept that, for this to calculate the risk-based premium adjustment, we need to click on the premium amount, okay, is equal to F2. That's the cell number here that you can see, into, okay. This is how they calculate risk-based adjustments. I need to add 1 plus the risk score divided by 10. Okay, can you see?
Yes.
So this is how the risk-based adjustment is calculated. I'll tell you the purpose of this, why it is used in the insurance industry is mainly because, greater the risk, higher the premium to be paid by the customer, okay, based on the risk score. Now, the reason why I took 1 plus, the risk score, I could have directly taken the premium amount into the risk score divided by 10. What was the purpose of taking this 1 here? For insurance companies, this is the correct way to model your risk-based adjustments because 1 represents 100% of the original premium. Okay, so you want to retain that premium and then add a markup, which is why we are adjusting the risk score accordingly. So anyways, this actually means that greater the risk, more the premium the customer needs to pay. So similarly, while we just autofill, all the formulas get copied down. Okay, and again, paste special. So how do we do it? Just Control C and just highlight on these cells, go to paste special and just say values. You will see that the formulas have not been copied. So these things usually help you in your reporting. In business, any kind of a business data, we deal with huge amounts of data. And these help you, like, let me say if my risk score here changes to 10 point, let's say 5, then you see the adjustment has been changed here. But here I can also do my comparisons between what was and what is. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Great. Now, go to sheet number 1. Okay, so we can do other operations also. So let's see, like if here, I just need to copy only the formulas. So, suppose this divided by 12, okay? And once I right click, you will see that the coverage amount also has been calculated automatically. The formula has just been dragged on to the other cell, correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So this is one way that it would just help you to switch the formulas. Another thing, what if I was supposed to copy the formats only? My manager says, copy only the formats. Then what do I do? So what you need to do is you need to, let's say, click on this. And let's say I want to paste only my format. I don't want anything else. Then I need to go to paste special. And you have something called formats. Can you see this formats?
Yes.
When you check that format box and when you press OK, you'll see that nothing else has been copied apart from the format.
Yes.
Clear? So these are some things. When you want to highlight something in your reporting, you can use this. So many things you can do with the, paste special. So let us look if now the manager says that, we are increasing our premium, or let's say due to inflation, we need to add another 500 to their premium amounts. You're not going to keep typing the formula all the time. So all you need to do is just paste these values, let's say to the premium amount, we need to add 500 because of some inflation, the rates have gone up. Now, when I just click here, I could have done it there also here, but I don't want to touch the original data. So, which is why I just pasted the data here. And then what I need to do, you can just click on this 500. Can you see? I'm saying I want to A as in add 500 to the premiums. So I just highlight these cells. I go to paste special. And you can see the operation here.
Yes.
So I just click on add. And did you see all my values got changed?
Okay.
So without even tampering my original data, I have actually added the premium amounts to a huge, this is just a less number of data. But imagine if you had so many more, like, thousands and thousands. You can't sit and copy formulas for everything, look at each. So paste special can do wonders for you. Now here, let us say, sorry.
Can you repeat that again? How to add?
Okay.
With a responder?
See, I'll just delete these first. What you need to do is, if you want to do it here, you can do it here also. However, because I do not want to tamper with my original data and keep the file as it is, I'll just put the values here. I've just copied the same values here. Okay. Can you see this? It's been copied. The same premium amounts have been copied here. Now, if I want to add any number to it, just type a number. Now, let's say this is 500. It could be even 1,000.
Yeah.
Okay. So just click on that 1,000.
Yes.
Can you see? I just copied it.
Yes.
Highlight your cells up to where you want to copy.
Yes.
Go to paste special, and you can see this column called operations, where you can just press add.
Okay.
Can you see how automatically they get copied? Is it clear?
Yes, it is clear.
Great. Now, let us say that we want to scale the customer's risk score, okay, out of 100. Okay, so like I want the total to be out of 100. So how do I do that? I need to just multiply it by 10. Okay, so I have this thing called 10 here. Okay, so but I want to do it only for the risk score. Now again, I do not want to tamper with the original risk score. What I can do is I can just first paste the data here. Okay, you see the same risk score has been copied here.
Yes.
So what I'll do is I'll just highlight on this particular thing. Can you see that?
Yes.
And just highlight the cells, go to paste special, and go to, can you see in this operation, you can see here multiply.
Yes.
Did you see?
Yes.
So that is also something that you can do. You can do all the operations, in fact, add, subtract, divide. And here again, I'm taking something called, I want to divide my coverage amount by 100, by, by 100 to get some score. So what is my coverage amount? What you need to do is, you need to copy this. I can do it there also, but I want my original data to be there because then I will not be able to justify my report. So what you need to do is, similar way, just click what you want to do. You need to divide it by 100. Just click on this number, highlight these cells, okay, go to paste special, and there's something called divide in the operation. Here is the operation, and you can say divide, and you see the division has been done for everything. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, now suppose I have made one remark here. I have inserted a comment here saying that, let's say, okay, he is not paid his premium, okay? Can you see this red triangle box? It highlights my comment inserted, okay? So when I copy this, okay, I come here, and when I go to paste special, and I say I want to copy only the comment. Can you see this comment? And when I press OK, you will see only that comment would have been copied.
Yes.
So these are some kind of things you can work on with paste special, absolutely friendly without much complex formulas. Apart from that, let's go to sheet number 2, because this is very interesting, and I'm sure you all would have come across this in your data frequently. Okay. So here, can you see my customer name? Like, let's say one person has left your organization and they have filled data somewhere. And then, you have entered something, and again, they have entered something. Now you have some blanks here. Okay. Are you going to sit and, this is a small data, it's okay. You may say, I'll cut, copy, paste it, I'm going to do it. But when you work with large data sets, you actually, can't keep filling for each one, looking, that's even more time consuming. So what you need to do is highlight these, cells which have the less number of data and where you want to fill them. Okay. Come to this particular column. Okay. Wherever you have a blank and you want to place back those names in those blank, go to paste special, and you have a checkbox which says skip blanks. Can you see that?
Yes.
And when you press OK, you will see that all this data has come there. Now all your blanks have been filled.
Yeah.
Clear? It could be anything. It could be even to do with numbers. It could be even the contact numbers. It could be many things, where you have missing data. All you need to do is highlight the cells where you have half and half data. Okay. Come back to where you want to fill them. Just highlight these and go to paste special. And you have something called skip blanks. When you do that, you'll see that all of this, wherever there were blanks, have been filled by.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, clear.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay.
Someone is saying something? Anything?
No, it's clear.
It's clear, right? Okay, go to sheet number 3. Okay. Go to sheet number 3. Now, let us say my my manager tells me, oh, I don't want the data to look like this, or maybe you are putting it somewhere, but you want to have your data, like this way. So how would you do it? Again, in such a case, let's say we are taking only the policy number and the customer name, and you want to have it, not vertically, you want to have it horizontally. So how do you do it? Just Control C whatever data you want. Okay. Click on any cell where you want to start, putting that data horizontally. Go to Paste Special, and you have something called transpose. Can you see this thing called transpose here?
Yes.
When you check that transpose, and when you click OK, you see your data has been copied this way. I can see all the policy IDs and the customer name in a horizontal manner. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes.
So these are some wonderful things that we can do with Paste Special. Skip blank your data, and transposing your data, doing the operations, hiding the comments, or pasting the comments, or having only your formulas added, or having only your values added. Many things can be done with Paste Special. So I think this class we shall end it here today. But before that, do you all have any doubts? So
No, this is clear for
In
me.
this-
I've worked with Paste Special, but not in this way. Just to copy paste some
pictures
data or
and things like that.
yeah,
Yes, I get that.
more
So yeah,
efficient.
yes. So I'm glad that I hope you all had a good understanding about But we'll be covering up many more topics. In fact, my tomorrow's session would be on Flashfill. That's also a wonderful tool that helps you in day-to-day reporting. Now, before that, I would like to ask you all a few questions. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, 1 minute. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, it's visible.
Yes.
Great. Okay. So I'm going to ask you first question today. What does Paste Special? Okay, I'll just share my screen. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. So the first question says, what does Paste Special values do in Excel? Could anybody read the options and like to answer which is the correct one?
Is B. Copies the
Yes.
results of a formula, but not the formula itself.
Great, wonderful. I'm glad that you people have understood what we worked on today. So great audience, it's the correct answer. Now, second one, you have calculated the adjusted premium using formulas. Let us say before sending the file to your client, which Paste Special should you use to lock the values? Which is the correct option? Any guesses?
I guess between the formats and values. So
It's
between B
Paste Special
C,
and values. The C is the
values,
correct
okay.
answer. Okay.
Yes, because
You would want to lock the values. Formats will only the formats would be locked. So here, if you want to lock the values, you'll have to go to values. Okay. Now let's come to the third question, which says what happens when you use Paste Special format? I showed you that thing, right, where I copied only the format. So what happens? A, your option is A. Only numbers are copied. Yeah, your cell, color, borders, font styles are copied. The actual data is deleted. Yeah, only formulas are pasted. Anybody? It's
B.
pretty easy. Great. Great.
B.
B is the correct answer. Wow. I'm so happy that you all are answering. You're such great students. Okay. The next one is, what does the skip blank option in the Paste Special do when pasting the data? Okay. Let's say A option is replaces the blank cells in the copied range with zeros in the destination, or does it ignore the blank cells copied range and leaves the existing values unchanged in the destination? Deletes all the blank cells in the worksheet. Yeah, highlights the blanks in yellow.
B also.
B.
B, yes, you are amazing. B is the correct answer. I'll show you here why. Now, let me say that my value here is, can you see my screen? For this,
Yes.
let's say premium amount here is 1,500 and here 1,600. Okay. So I want to revise this values and send, but my revised values are here. But also I do not want the values in the other cells to change. So I just, Control C the range of cells here. I highlight them here, and when I go to paste special, and when I say skip blanks and click OK, did you see the revised premium amount has changed for these two, but for the others it's not changed. Nothing has happened to those.
Yes.
So that was the question actually. So I'm glad that you people have understood that concept. And yes, the clipboard question I already asked you, that the maximum number of items the clipboard can hold at one time is 24, which you all answered correctly. And then let us say you have copied 5 different items from cell or ranges. How can you view and paste them selectively? What would be the correct option?
Also B.
Yes,
Use
wonderful.
Word.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so what is the default file extension for an Excel workbook?
B.
Yes, it's .xlsx. Okay, that is the default version. The .xlsm is generally used for macros. Okay, now the last question for today. In Excel, what do we call the intersection of a row and column?
Cell.
Yes, wonderful. Wonderful. Wow. I'm really happy that you people have been a wonderful audience, and we'll be doing much more in the further sessions. Tomorrow's session will be about an important concept called flash fill. So I think we can wind up the session for today. And is there any doubts that you would want me to clarify or anything? Please feel free to share. Was today's session good? You people enjoyed?
Yes.
Yeah.
Was it
So I
informative?
have a question.
Yes.
As you mentioned, tomorrow we have a class. Tomorrow is Sunday, but that was not what we agreed. It's not a problem. I'm just asking. And will we have everyday session? Let's say from Monday to Sunday. So what I understood before, it was Monday to Saturday.
Oh, it's on Saturday and Sundays.
Let's probably, Giovanni, if you can answer that, because we thought it is on Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, both days. But anyways, we are okay.
Yeah, we can modify the time if that's needed. That shouldn't be a problem.
And since you guys all are working, what time, if I may ask you, what time is suitable to you, if you can? So you want weekend session, or it is kind of ongoing continuously? How exactly?
So, but still, it is not clear for me. What will we do? Will we do Monday to Sunday, or only Saturday and Sunday?
See, this time works with you. This particular time.
Yes, but no. The question is, will we do Monday to Sunday, or will we do only Saturday and Sunday, or else?
Yeah. So that's what we need to check with other participants, how they are comfortable, because this time, like we are sitting in Bangalore, India, this time is perfect for us, right? So we can take it up. Maybe you can respond, and it's okay. Let's have a discussion with Giovanni. Giovanni, yeah, you can probably.
Yes, I'm here, Jonas. My apologies firstly for the background noise because they're busy renovating. But indeed, we plan to start the session today, and then in accordance with all the other participants, we would decide how to go further, if we would do Monday to Saturday sessions if all participants are available between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. Suriname time. Then we can do it. We can do it during the week also. But then we would have to get the reaction from the other participants as well. So guys, let us know if you guys are available Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
For me, it's okay also.
Yes.
I
Okay,
am not
Gideon,
available. For me, it is not okay. Monday to Friday, I am at work from 7 to 3 o'clock. So 10 to 12 won't work for me.
Okay. Shwana, we also miss one other participant, Fashish, who didn't join today. I sent him a message and tried calling him, but he didn't pick up. So I'll try contacting him later today. But in case, because it would be best for everyone to be able to join. Shall we do weekend sessions for now?
Yeah, so let me know. It's okay. Today's session we can we can continue, and maybe you can create a group, or later on also you can let me know how you want
Yes.
the session to be conducted.
Yes. So also about that, thank you for reminding me. We will be creating a WhatsApp group with everyone inside this training, so we can send out updates or any notifications regarding the training or just overall information. Yes.
Is it
Okay.
maybe
Yes.
possible to do the
But
sessions? Uh-huh.
sorry, go ahead, please.
No, just a question. Is it maybe possible to do the session from 6 or maybe 4 to 6 or 6 to 8 Suriname time?
That would be a little bit late because the time difference between Suriname and India is about 8.5 hours.
Mhm.
Yeah. So we could start the latest at 10 at these hours because after this will be too late in India.
Okay.
Yes. But that would be for during the week, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's decide that we will that I'll create a WhatsApp group, and then I think for now for the next session we can start tomorrow if everyone's available for tomorrow. We can do the next session tomorrow, and then see because during the week, Miriam, you won't be able to during the week, right?
Yes, because yes, I work from 7 o'clock to 3.
To 3. Okay. Okay.
No
Then
worries.
for now,
Maybe we
yeah.
can try to figure it out. Maybe we can let's see everybody what they say. We can create a poll, and maybe we can see to it later point of time. If everybody agrees on this timing, no problem. Also, if weekends, if some of them are ready, then maybe we can.
Okay.
We are flexible, but this time suits us particularly. If it is little
Yes.
before or little after, it will be a bit difficult. Do let us know.
Yes. In fact, for me, the best time is from 10:30 on the weekends because I already have a college. But I will check with the other participant. So I will not participate in the first half hour, the first hour maybe. So,
Okay, we'll figure it out how we can, check this. Maybe this is kind of logistic issue. We can figure it out. We can.
thank you.
So then for tomorrow we will do 10:30.
Uh, Tomorrow, 10:30 minutes. Here we have to do
Around
from
7. Yeah.
Yeah,
Seven.
It's okay. I think we can
it's okay.
do that weekend
Thank-
tomorrow. So yeah,
Yeah.
shouldn't be a problem. We can do it at 7 our time. That is 10:30 your time. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Sure.
I think
So
yeah.
so
we can-
I'll see you all tomorrow, and over to you, Swarna. You can take it over from here.
Thank you, Sheetal. Thank you
Thank you.
for your
Yeah.
session.
So,
Yeah.
I have just one question
Yes.
more.
Yes.
What I understood, if I understood well, every session will be recorded.
Yes.
Yes. So when can we? Is it the recording? Is it available for us,
Yeah.
and when?
Yeah, it will be at least 48 hours. Okay, 48 hours time would be taken. Okay, so we'll be putting it in our YouTube channel only for you guys. It will be a not public. It will be a private, and your email ID would be through that email ID you can able to access. Right. So
Okay.
maybe Mr. Giovanni can able to help in terms of getting your IDs to us, and we will be making you visible for all these videos.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Sure.
you.
Thank you all.
Thank
See you all
you.
tomorrow. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Over to you, Swarna. Yeah. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, Shital. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Welcome.
I hope you had a wonderful Excel session. And
The
okay,
participants
like
also were enthusiastic, so I'm really happy.
yeah, that's very important because it should not be one-way traffic. But now going forward today, what we'll do is we'll do it Power BI completely hands-on, right? It is a kind of session. It will be fully hands-on. I'll share my, wherever the theory is required, I will touch upon and I'll give you those, pre-reads and the materials. Maybe you can read and come to the session, right? With that note, I'm just sharing my screen. Please do let me know if it is visible.
Yes.
Okay. So this is a small PPT that we prepared, and I hope you guys are having it. I have already shared to you. This is talks about the kind of curriculum, 25 hours of session. Out of that, Excel would be 10 hours. We'll be having assessment end of the session, 30 minutes of Excel, 30 minutes of Power BI, and also after the completing the session, you'll be receiving a certificate from Mr. Giovanni's organization and in collaboration with KPI Ladder, KPI Consulting. So this is a bit of what is the outcome, and as you rightly have seen or shown interest about the PL 300 certification program. I hope all of you are interested in the certification program, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we will give you a kind of tentative sample questions that comes. We'll show you how exactly this process happens. Maybe we can show you from one of the site named. Let me just check if you can share this. Learn dot I will be sharing you for sure notes, but learn.microsoft.com. This should be your Bible or Gita or Quran. What I'm trying to say is this should be your the material. This should be your kind of guidance materials from where you can read, you can go through all the details, right? So you can understand how the pattern happens, and accordingly, I will be creating the courses and the materials, right? But here, so come back to our workshop here. So we will be touching upon those sample questions. We will be doing a lot of practice questions. I'll be giving you those questions whenever you're free. Try practice it and come back to me, right? So this is the method we thought of doing it, and this is the topics that we'll be covering. It is actually a beginner to intermediate level. Many of you are already working it. That is good, but we'll touch upon the basics first, and then maybe we can build it up to the next level because it will helpful for your PL300 certification, right? So as we have discussed, all the 15 hours of Power BI sessions will be a practical, dashboard building, KPI, cards, and that also a lot of measures and everything. So you'll be going through a lot of, dashboard building in these 15 hours. So this is the Excel 1 and Excel 2, which is day 1, day 2. Already Sheetal have shared to you. Now moving on to the outline, as I mentioned, we'll be starting slowly with the basic part, the initial as a Power BI as a beginner, how you take it, and from there to we take it to the next level, intermediate level, and there we will be doing a lot of hands-on activities. And every day, as you can see, there will be a dashboard, different kind of dashboard to be building it, right? So okay, so going forward. Now, can anyone, all of you have installed Power BI, right? Miss Mariam, I know
Yes.
she already have done it. How about the others? Already have done it, right? You have mentioned that you have installed Power BI. Just give me a answer. Just give me a cheer.
Yes.
If all of you have installed Power BI, then I'll move on to this questions. What is Power BI? What is BI first? Let's, before getting into this thing, let's understand what is BI. Anyone?
It's a business intelligence.
Yes, absolutely. So it's a business intelligence. Okay. Why we get into BI? What is the reason we get into BI? We quickly wanted to go to the other slides because we have a lot of things to cover. So why BI? These are the things like lack of visibility. We are doing business, but we don't know which areas to focus on. Which are the key areas, KPIs, right? Key performance indicators. Eventually, our organization name is also KPIs. So we need that insight, right? So for that, the BI is needed. That's why we have this BI, business intelligence, into place. What are the levels of BI? If I ask you, the three kind of, one is personal BI, team BI, and enterprise BI. I'm sure you will be working with different kind of tools in your office, be it Excel, be it Power BI, be it Tableau, and so on. So what are the kind of major certifications? I'm focusing on more into the certification side because it will help you to in a process in the journey of learning any of the tool, also to get certified, right? So it will help you in moving ahead into your career or job change or whatsoever, right? So PL300, that is the certification for Power BI. Similarly, we have something called Trial Academy have launched their new version of certification, which is the Tableau certification. This document is already with you. Maybe you can click and check. All the links are available. Similarly, we have Alteryx, Click. These are the other two tools. Even Google also having their own one tool named OnLooker. Right? I'm sure you have gone through. Okay, now it's a quick comparison. Before we get into the demo, just a quick comparison between Tableau and Power BI. Can anyone tell me what is Power BI first, quickly in one liner, and what is Tableau? Anyone heard of Tableau from this audience?
No, I haven't heard of Tableau.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Anyone else who have heard about Tableau?
Tableau, but
Yes,
I don't use it.
Or anyone have worked on Tableau?
no.
No, right. Okay. Girish,
No, I haven't
you have
worked
worked
with
on
that.
Okay, okay, great, great. So these are the, you can say, kind of business intelligence tools have been using rapidly in most of the organizations. Power BI and Tableau have been talked over the years, right? So, but if you can see Power BI as per the Gartner record, still much ahead. I have one slide which will be talking about Gartner. Yeah, here it is. So as you can see, it is much ahead. Microsoft Power BI is much ahead. Tableau would be somewhere down. Salesforce Tableau, and then the other BI tools. So it is a tool which is widely accepted, and next is Tableau, as you can see it. So these are basic differences you can probably go through whenever you have some time. Major differences, if you can see, there is a cost wise. Tableau is a bit more higher cost, and whereas Power BI, it's a free version, which is we call it as Power BI desktop, right? So which is the free version. Whereas Tableau also have their Tableau desktop, but if you can see the cost wise for enterprises, it is more. We also have Tableau Cloud. Similarly, we have something called Power BI Service, which is a SaaS version of it. We'll be coming slides. We'll be going through all the details, right? So this is a brief kind of comparison you can go through whenever at your leisure. Now, quickly wanted to understand what is Power BI. Anyone of you, Mariam, I know you have gone through our earlier programs. Apart from you, anyone else can talk about what is Power BI. I wanted to understand how's your basic knowledge about Power BI, so that it will help me to understand to take this next forward. What is Power BI?
Maybe I can start first.
Sure.
The first time I came across with Power BI was within the company, where two of my colleagues presented dashboards and mentioned that they use Power BI. And I think that from that experience, I think that Power BI is a tool that you can use to compile or also make analysis of the data that you have as a business. And it's also a tool that is provided by Microsoft, but with the main purpose to give a better visualization of your data. That's what I think. That it is.
Interesting. Yes, of course, you're right. So you may heard of Power BI service, right? You may heard about Power BI apps. Grish, you have worked on Power BI service. Have you worked on something tool called Microsoft Fabric?
No, I've never worked with
Okay.
that.
Okay. So what I would trying to understand is here, as you can see, Microsoft is a different kind of tools, right? It is based on tools. So let me just go through, type something called Fabric. Okay. So Microsoft is saying that Tableau, unlike Tableau, Power BI is a mix of a kind of tool. It's a kind of series of softwares, right? So they have a different kind of softwares. What they do is they basically, as rightly Miss Chigima, right? Chikita, sorry, Chikita have
Yes.
rightly mentioned. Yeah, Chikita have rightly mentioned. It is a kind of series of tools, right? Different kind of tools are there. Different kind of versions are there. Okay, so what are the tools? Sometimes we call it as Power Query. Some things we talk about Power BI Service. Sometimes we talk about M language. Sometimes we talk about Fabric. What are this? So it is a kind of collection of softwares, right? It's a kind of collection of softwares. It's a kind of collection of different apps, connectors. There are so many ways, so many different tools. Every day will be coming and saying that, hey, what is this? How you are connecting with Power BI with this particular tool. So what Microsoft is saying that it is not a stand-alone kind of tool which is there you can visualize or make dashboard. It is also a collaborating tool, right? We have talked about which is a team BI, which is talked about enterprise BI. Basically, you are sharing. So now you have rightly mentioned, Ms. Chikita, that you are building it with sustainability report. Now, what you do with the report? Who are the user? Who will consume that report? You would be having a set of users, right? You would be sending it to your boss, or you'd be sending it to your uh, uh, deportees, or you try to analyze with that, right? So this is basically a collaboration tool, right? So what is the collaboration tool? And as you have rightly mentioned, we do compile means we do a lot of data modeling. So entire our Tableau sorry Power BI will be working on different kind of tools, right? So we'll be working on different kind of data. So that is what we'll be doing it. As I've mentioned, that is Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Mobile, all are there. All are having a different kind of tools. This is a kind of literature I'm just taking you through. I'm just warming up so that you can aware of it, right? So tomorrow, if I say that what is Power BI service, you should be ready with it. What is Power BI service and how to get connected, right? So this thing should be okay with it. Now coming to again the different kind of roles, I'm sure you were working as a data wrangler, compiling with all the data, working with the different kind of tools. Now again, after the data wrangling, what do? You have to make a row level policy, right? Different kind of policies you make. Okay, the manager can only see, not the reporters. So you will be working as a data steward, you'll be working as a data Power BI analyst, and also the collaborative user, right? So that is more important. This is a kind of ecosystem. I'll take you through. I'll give you the kind of view. Also, I'll be taking you through a Power BI service, how it looks like, and so on. So let's get into the Power BI tool. Let everybody have this tool ready. Can you able to see this tool? And you can see this kind of view, blank report, and you can see this kind of kind of view. Dashboard should be like this. I mean, at least the view should be like this.
Yes.
Okay. Now I need someone, a volunteer. Who will be my volunteer? Because it's very difficult to showcase and doing it. I want you guys to practice hands-on. Who will be my volunteer? Who will be my volunteer? Please let me know. I'll stop sharing. How about Ms. Chikita? Will you be my volunteer?
Yes.
Okay, share your screen.
Okay, just one moment. Yes.
Mr. Rashid, is it fine? Please let me know the pace. The pace.
Yes, everything is okay. No problem. If
Okay.
there's something,
Okay.
I will let you know.
Okay,
Yes.
please, anyone, be it Girish, be it Ms. Chikita, be it Mercham, have any queries, anything, please stop me, okay? And then and there you
Sure.
ask. Wonderful. Now you have a Power BI setup is ready, as I can see. Okay, which version it is? As Shital was asking you in Excel, which version you're working on? Can you tell me in Power BI which version you're working on? How to check?
Okay, I have to go to File, and then I can go to I think Options and Settings. Just a moment. I'm not sure if I think it's a File, and then go to Options and Setting.
Yes,
Options.
you're right. Can you go to Help? Yeah, it's all right. It's all right. Can you go to ribbon? Can you see the Help button? Help.
Yes, here.
Yeah, please click the Help button. Can you see About? There is a exclamatory sign. Can you click that? Voila, here we go. So you have the February version. So it is pretty old version. You have to update because as you know, Power BI update every now and then. Every month they release their version. So July version has already come, 2025.
Oh, okay.
All right. So there are many versions are doing it. No problem. You can just uninstall. Or best way to install your Power BI is through the app. Okay. You go to the app and download that version. That is the latest version, and it will take a lot of new features also to be added.
Okay.
Guys, we are good. We are done. We are done with the setup. Are you guys okay with it?
Yeah.
Let me know which version everybody is using. Mariam, please tell me which version you are using.
July 2025.
Super. How about Mr. Rashid?
July 2025.
Wonderful. Girish, I hope you are also using the same.
Yes, I'm using the same.
Wonderful. All right. Without wasting much of time, let's get data. Where is get data? Where is the data? Let's get data. Okay.
Yes.
I hope you guys are excited to build dashboards.
Yes. So
go to home. Go to home. No problem. I'll take you through. I will guide you one at a time, and then everybody please start working with your data. Right? You can start. Now get data. There's a ribbon saying get data. Right? Yes. Whenever you are clicking get data, yeah, it will come slowly. It will come. Okay. Now we'll do one thing. You guys are already getting data from. In fact, I already have shared your data. Maybe the CSV file. But let's not do the CSV file. Let's get into a different way to do it. Okay. Now go to your any of the web version. Which are you using? Chrome or you're using Microsoft version? Which one you're using?
We don't hear you, Mr. Swana.
Can you hear me? Others, can you hear me?
We don't hear you.
I can hear you.
Oh, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Hello?
Okay.
Hello, Mariam.
No,
Can you...
Mariam, I think everybody is saying they can hear me. I think some issue from your device or your network. Please check. Am I audible? Am I audible to you guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Super. Ms. Chikita, can you please go to this website? Open this website. I want you to take it from the web. I don't want to get data from an Excel or a text or CSV file. I want you to go through this website and take this data from the website. You check your chat box and check the chat box. Yeah.
Just one moment. Yes.
No problem.
Yes.
And click that data.gov, data.gov. Everybody, please go to that website, data.gov.
Yes. Yes, I've opened the website. It's data.gov.
Yes, it was fantastic. You will get a lot of data sets.
Yes.
As per different market, if you want to create a different kind of dashboards, this should be your another a repository apart from Kaggle or something. All right, great. Can you type it here?
Mm-hmm.
FDIC failed bank FDIC failed bank. Yes, FD D for yeah
Before about?
D for Delta D for Delta. Okay, I'll type it.
Yes, please.
No problem. Everybody, please type it. FDIC failed bank. Yeah. Mariam, can you hear me now? Am I audible, Mariam?
Miriam?
Okay. Yes, search. Yeah. Can you go down a little bit?
Yes.
So this is a data set which will be, yeah, hold on. This is a data set, we'll be working on it, right? So,
Okay.
okay, okay, fine. But we'll not download it, okay? We'll just, click it CSV, just, yeah. Hold on, before you download it, just hold on. We'll take it from the website itself. Yeah, it is opened, right? Go down, let it get opened. Everyone, please follow the process so that you can understand how we can get data from different connectors. Now we are getting data from the web. Go down,
Yes.
go down. So this is talking about a particular, go down. Yes, download data. Don't download, please do not download. Do a right click.
No.
Do a right click, little up. No, download data. Can you see the download data? Little up. Let's check it out. Not here, little,
Sorry.
Go little up, not here, not down. Little up. I can see the download.
Oh, yes.
Right click, copy address. Copy link,
address.
whatever you do. Copy link.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and go back to your Power BI.
Yes.
Stop. Okay. Get data. Click get data. Everybody, please follow the same thing. Get data and go to web. Okay. There are different connectors. I'll talk about what are the connectors. I'll talk about the theory part. It will be coming. I think this data is talking about, get data, please click it. This data is talking about basically the failed banks in US. Yeah. Can you check web? Just check web.
Or online services?
Yes. No, not online. Hello, hold on. Just click it there as web.
Oh.
Okay. Get data. You can see web. There'll be a calling as web connector. In that you can upload. Okay. Let me also, yes, web. Yeah. Connect. Where? Yes, connect. Yeah, connect. What has come? Yes. Now you put the URL. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Connect. Yes. Meanwhile, yes. Hold on. That's all. Let's hold on. Have everybody reached to this level?
Yes.
Okay, super. Girish, I hope you already have reached.
Yes.
Okay. Mariam, you also reached, right? Now there are two things ideally. One is the load and transport data. Now, transform data. Transform data is talking about, once you do that, it will go to your, where it will go? Anyone? Mariam? Where it will go? If you click transform data, where it will go? Okay. Let's do that. Let's go to transform data. Let's see where it goes. Okay. So it will open a new window. Yeah, exactly. So it has opened a new window called Power Query. Okay, guys, let me tell it to you. This is your kitchen of Power BI. Here you do all the cutting of vegetables to make a beautiful dashboard, right? So this is your kitchen. Okay, this is your kitchen where you do the data cleaning, data, merging, appending, all these things, right? Wonderful. Now, can you see it? This data has come as download data. Makes no sense, right?
Hear me? Test.
Yes, Mariam, you are audible now.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, change the properties name as whatever name you want to keep. Closed bank or A failed bank, maybe closed bank should be a good, right? Closed bank or closed bank.
Closed.
Yeah, closed bank. These banks are already closed due to some reasons, maybe. And as you can see, be careful which of the name you are taking it. You have to be careful because all the kind of queries, all the kind of your data table, data modeling, you have to use the same name. So make sure the name should not be very long and it should be appropriate because you will be creating DAX, right? So there it has
Yeah.
to match. So closed bank. Have you written closed bank? Sorry, I am not able to see it. Because
Yes.
Okay, closed, right? It is closed. CLOSED. Closed bank.
Yeah.
Okay, now you do one thing. Now you have clicked, now you got change. Now can you see one column at a time? These are all our columns, right? It is talking about what? Bank name, city
Bank
name,
name, city.
state name. Yes, yes, yes. So what it is exactly?
Yeah.
So can you see those things? Now these are called the top. You can see A, B, C. Somewhere you can see 1, 2, 3. Somewhere you can see some. So it's called data types, right? It's called data types. Okay, I will go in details. Maybe I will take you through in details. Just for today's session, I'll give you a kind of a basic dashboard building session. Today's session, I will take you. I'll just identify one column. Just click one column. Okay, one column, and then go to transform. There is a top ribbon. Can you see the transform ribbon?
Just one
Header,
moment.
not ribbon. Above the ribbon, header. Yeah, transform. The third option, file, home, transform. Can you see the transform?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, click that, no problem. Click that, take your time, click that. And then there is an option called detect data type. Can you see that detect data type?
Yes, here.
Yeah. So it will detect automatically. So you detect it, click it. So what Power BI is saying, rather you doing it one at a time, you can do it all together also. So you can do, you select one column, and then put it as control all. Do the control all.
Yes.
No, column, the column header, bank name. You just take your cursor to bank name. Yes, and then control all. Can you do control all? It's okay. Be a little slow. Let's be a little slow. No problem.
Yes, I don't.
Control all. Or you can do control A. I mean, control all means control A.
Yes.
CTR, yes. Now go to detect data type. Click there. Detect data type. Have you clicked it?
Yes,
Wonderful.
I've clicked it.
So the automatically whatever the columns are there, the data type get automatically adjusted, right? So as you can see, some column would be talking about date, some column would be talking about city. So date should be in calendar form. Can you able to see that? Where is the date? Where is date?
The date.
See the column names. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, closing date, right?
Yeah.
It's very important.
Yeah.
That next to that, can you able to see the data type? That 1, 2, 3 sign is there, right? Next to here is a column sign, calendar sign is there. So that is the calendar, the data type sign. All right. We are in Power Query. Please remember, here you do all the data cleansing activity, data do a lot of merging. So talking about data cleansing, can we check all the data are in the right manner or not? So to do that, can you check view button? Top, can you click view button?
View button.
View.
Here.
Yeah. Yes. Can you able to see there are 3 brothers? Okay. I'm telling it to you 3 brothers because there'll be for sure questions will come from PL300, which is column quality. Please, one at a time you click it. First you click it, column quality. Okay.
Yes.
Click it there. So it talks about how is your data cleaned. As you can see here, it is talking about valid 100%, right? As you can see, please remember this is a different surface, this is a different window, this is a different tool altogether. Power Query, Power BI are different. You can see there are 2 different, different window has pop up. So this is what it is. So here, as you can, please note it is talking about the quality of the data. So data quality is talking about the 100% data is clean. That's why it is showing as 0 error, empty error, and 100% data is valid. Please take it through all the lines. Please check with all the lines, all the columns. All the columns whether your data is ready to or eligible to take it to Power BI or not. All are 100%. Please.
Yes. All. Oh, just one moment.
Superb. That means data is clean. Data is already cleaned. But can we create some, based on the requirement, can we create some column? Can we create some extra column? Guys, can we create some extra column? How can you do that?
Maybe here at column. Here.
One second. Yes, add column. Correct. Yeah, absolutely. One second before you move on to the other add column, just wanted to tell it to you. The three brothers I talked about, right? Which is column quality, column profile, and column distribution. Try to check through those also. Please put a tick mark so you can check the column distribution. What is talking about column distribution? Column distribution is talking about how many of distinct data and how many of unique data, right? Distinct and unique data, I will be taking it tomorrow's session for sure. I'll be having a hands-on and I'll be taking you through. But to giving you a surface level of understanding, distinct as is talking about, unique as is talking about, it is the how many unique keys in the column. That's why it is called as unique data, right? Similarly, you create one more brother called column profile. Click this guy.
Yes.
Once you click this guy, then you see down one pop-up thing will come. Can you, where it is? It is not coming. Oh, it is not coming. Column profile will be talking about, okay, I do not know. I think it's a older version because generally it comes.
Okay.
So column profile will be talking about entire column profile, entire thing, whether it is, whether the distribution level. These are all, please understand, this is a statistical tool to check the quality of the data. All right. Okay. Now you add a column. Okay. Now you go to see the all things are good. Now uncheck it. If you do not want these things, uncheck it. Your data is fine. Add column. Now here also we can have add column. And as you can see, we have three sisters. How to add columns? Okay. So add column is column by examples, custom column, and whichever.
Yes.
What is the other one?
Invoke custom function.
Okay, yeah, that is one thing. No, not is that one. That is, and one more is there. You can add column from here. That is next to that is one button is there. But anyways, let's start with one, which is column from examples.
Okay.
Let's understand. Let's create a column. Now here, can you see two options? One is column from columns, from all columns, and from selection. You type it from selection. You click it from selection. All right.
Okay.
Now it will ask which are the selections. Which are the selections? Oh, okay. So already you have select all the columns, right? Then cancel it. Uncheck all the columns because you have clicked it. All the cancel it. There is a button called cancel here. Yes, exactly. Now, 1 second. Now you have to select because already all the columns are already control all. Already columns are selected. So please unselect all the columns. How you do that? Just go to again the cursor to the bank name, that header, one column header. It will be little initially this thing, but we'll slowly understand.
Yes.
So now you have selected one thing, but you have to do it with the selection, right? So for example, we want to create a column, say example, city state, right? City state, as you can see, the name is not properly mentioned. It is TX, DX, PA. How can we, or we can create a kind of joint column, say like state and city. So select these two guys, state and city. Be careful. Yeah, be careful. No worry. You go to now column from example.
Column from example.
Yes.
Yeah.
From selection. Go to from selection. Mariam, you are with me. Others, I hope you are following it, right? Yeah. Now, can you check it? The city column. The city. Yes. It is already selected. Yes. Correct. Now there's a new column has come. Column 1. Can you be able to see that? Change the name first. You are making this column header as name as. You can change it. You can double click it. It will be automatically yes. You name it as state city or city state. Whatever you can put it based on your city state. All right. Great. Now first line. Come to the first line. First row. Yes. Click it there. It will ask for the. Yes. Can you type it? But first, here is talking about the city name, which is Santa Ana, right? Can you type it Santa Ana? SANTANNA, whatever name. No, just hold on. Just type it.
Oh, type it.
See the magic.
Yes.
Yeah. See the magic will come. I'll tell you.
Yes.
The similar way. Flash fill option is there in Excel. The similar way this will come. Please write it down. Santa SANTA. Then the gap NNA, and then the TX. The state name is TX. And can you put enter? Yeah, can you see? Okay, can you put the OK button? Can you put the OK button top?
Oh, yes.
Hold on, yeah, can you see? Voila, you have created a new column named city and state, which is the mixture of Santa Ana and TX. And similarly, you can see you have mimicking these two columns data to this column. All right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, now can we go to home and close and apply?
Home.
Close and apply.
Close and apply.
First. Close and apply.
Close.
Yeah.
Yes.
Close and apply. All right. Now I wanted to see everyone how everybody have got the data or to the Power BI or not. Just give me a cheer. Are we okay? Are you okay with the speed?
Yes.
Mr. Rashid, are you okay?
Yes, it's okay.
All right, all right. So have you got this this query to your Power BI? This data to your Power BI desktop? Have you faced any difficulties? I want to take a pause and understand. Have you faced any difficulties?
So currently I'm still in the table. And
Okay.
what will be the
Show
next
me,
step?
show me. 1 second, Mr. Gita, can you
Yes,
please
I
stop
will stop
sharing?
sharing. Yes.
Yeah, I will ask. Yeah, one second. Mr. Rashid, can you please share the screen? How about Girish? You have reached to this level?
Yes.
Wonderful. So fast you are. All right. So where you are? Yeah, you can maybe discard these 2 lines. Not required. I cross it basically. Where's the data? Can you open the data pane? Can you open the data pane? I'm not able to see the data pane. Data pane is your extreme right. You can see visualization, and next to that is the data. Okay, you are in. Okay, open the open. There it is. Now cancel it. Don't put your email ID because it's the free version. Otherwise, again. Where you are? You have gone to some Power Query side, I believe.
Oh,
Just share like the way we have got the data, right, and get data and go to the Power Query. If not, no problem, we have a manual is there. That's why I created a kind of manual, so it will be easier for, see, the initial days it is little these things, then once it is, yeah.
can you
Okay,
see it?
1 second. You please. I can see FDIC, that that background thing. Can you put it down? I want to see Power Query clearly. Yeah, you are right. Yeah, so far fantastic. Close and apply. You have done that state. How about the state? One second. Before you do that, let me just check where you have created new column.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Central. Okay, done. Go to this side, the left side. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Can you able to go to home and close and apply? Go home. No, there should be another this side left should be where you are. This side is, yeah, exactly. Yeah, close and apply. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
File. Yeah. You can see there's a down version. Yeah, close and apply. Please the first one. Yeah, it will be going there. Please, this thing is done. We don't need this website now. We go to Power BI Desktop now. Let's go to Power BI Desktop. It has traveled back to Power BI Desktop. We don't need this one. Go to Power BI Desktop. Yeah. Let me see whether it is. Yeah, open that. Others, please do one thing, especially Miriam and Girish, also Ms. Chikita. Let me solve with this thing with Mr. Rashid.
Yes.
Please use the. I have shared one requirement, right? Requirement option is there. Can you check the requirement? There would be a kind of. Yeah, it has reached. Yeah, Mr. Rashid, it has reached. Can you share your full screen? Can you share your Power BI desktop? Somewhere I cannot able to see that Power BI desktop. Okay, now talking about the requirement, have you checked there's a demo 1, and in that there is a requirement has given. So you have asked to create a dashboard based on those KPIs. Okay. Have you opened that KPI? It's Mr. Rashid, you're fabulous. You have done it. I think I just saw there is a closed bank query, but only thing is I think it is showing still a Zoom as a window. Please open your Power BI, and if you have any difficulty, please let me know. Have you opened that?
So what? I'm sorry, I'm a little bit lost now. So what should I do now?
Okay. No worries. Can you open your Power BI desktop, because I can see only the Zoom kind of.
So Power BI, okay.
Desktop. Yeah. There's a 2 things. One is the Power Query. Power Query, already we have done the changes and everything, right? As I told, this is the kitchen. Now we have done the cleaning. Already data is cleaned. Now we have shifted this data to the Power BI desktop. Now can you open the Power BI? Can you open that?
meneer Rashid, die Power BI beneden bij de moet je openmaken. U had het
Deze
net
toch?
beneden. Nee, dit is die Excel-file. Dit kunt u sluiten. Dit is niet meer nodig. Dit kunt u gewoon sluiten.
Maak je gebruik van twee schermen?
Ja, ik heb twee schermen daarom.
Ja, ik heb het
meneer
gezien.
Ja, dus deze kunt u gewoon sluiten.
Meneer Rashid, dus u heeft uw scherm geshared, maar u heeft alleen één scherm geshared. Dus misschien kunt u die Power BI tab slepen naar die andere scherm.
Ja. Ja, klopt, Girish.
Als ik even tussen mag komen, mensen. Rashid, het gaat om de Power BI app in de taskbar beneden. Ik zie dat het niet open is, als je hem even zou kunnen openen. Yes, perfect, succes.
Ja, ik zie dat u erop staat. Ik moet hem openmaken.
No worries, we'll wait and we'll see. Meanwhile, others, Girish, Chikita, others, please, you can see there is a kind of requirement. Okay, requirement.
Yes.
TXT file, like text file has come. Can you open that file? Can you open the file? Can you see exactly what he's talking about?
Yes, we can. Yes.
Okay, so below is the requirement, right? It starts with below is the requirement. Okay.
Yes.
Wonderful. Now, till the time Mr. Rashid show his this thing, Power BI desktop. Anyone else can share the screen. Mariam, would you like to share the screen, or you have a bandwidth issue? How about Girish? Can you able to share the screen?
Yeah.
Please.
See my screen?
Okay. Medium is showing. Okay, no problem. I think some internet issue is there. Okay. Superb. Medium is already one step ahead, and she is now with. Okay, good. Come to the canvas. Come to the report view. Come to the report view. I know you have started building the calendar. I know. So go to the report view first. Yeah, I will. Okay. Oh, you started creating the this thing. Okay. Good. Girish now and Chikita and Mr. Rashid, as you can see, this is called canvas. Okay, this is blank space. It's called canvas. Mariam, please discard this card visual. I will tell you. We'll go a little slow. Yeah. So this is called canvas, right? This entire thing built visual with your data is called canvas. Now, similarly, we have other three options, right? As you can see, these are filters. It's called filters. I will explain what is filter, how you use in any of the visuals. Then next to that is called visualizations, right? As you can see, visualizations, there are 29, 28, not wrong, if I'm not wrong, 28 visualization tools are there. Okay, as you can see, there are different kind of tools are there: bar chart, gauge, table, matrix. All these are called visuals, right? Different kind of visuals. We call it as visuals. Something called line chart. Very important tool. I will take you through one each at a time. The visuals, and similarly, you can see your data, which is the data pane. Take your cursor to the data pane. Yeah. Now, as you can see, this is the query, and this query is talking about the closed bank. As you can see, the closed bank data, that all the tables are placed here. So the table you talk about closing date, you created a new city state column, all are placed here. Nicely it has got placed. Okay. Now, as you can see, this data is talking about something related to the time and date, right? When we call time and date, what we have to create? We have to create a calendar table, right? So calendar table means it is the duration. Say like this data is talking about the banks, they got closed, right? So as you know that 2008 was one of the worst years where all the banks were closed because of the recession and what so things. We need to understand which data, which year this got closed. We have a series of requirements are there. We have to create the KPIs, right? So and the left hand side, come to the left hand side, there are four guys are there. Five guys are there. Recently another two guys have come. Okay. So five guys, number top one is the report view. Top one is the report view, where you are placed. This is called report view, this is a canvas. Okay. Go to second, which is the model view. Guys, I'm taking it table view, which I'm taking it a little slow because let everybody understand these things. Then we'll build up all this. This is called table view. Okay. Now go to table view. Please click table view. Let's see what is there in the table view. Let's click it. Let's see how it looks like. So here, the Power Query, whatever table you have created, it is parked here. It is called as table view. Here you can see all the kind of tables are there. All the columns are there. Now this is one table. We'll be creating many more tables, right? Okay, so this will be parked. Now coming to the third one, guys, this is the most important thing. Any beautiful dashboard, any dashboard when you create, the first thing is the relationship between the data. The relationship thing has to create, right? So we will be going very slow this particular thing. Let's create As you can see, and be very attentive, everyone. Any questions, anything, please stop me. Please stop me then and there. Okay. Now top, as you can see the ribbon, there is an option called new table. And if please click the new table, Mariam. Top ribbon view, new table. Yes, exactly. You there only. Next to calculation group, next to calculation, new table. Yes, click it there. One click. So as you can see, there's a new table has come. Okay, so new table have come. As I told, it's a data related to time, right? Time, it can be year, it can be month, it can be quarter, it can be days, it can be weekday, weekends, whatsoever. Even the time duration also, right? Sometimes you are asked to create a dashboard, number of visits in a showroom from morning time to evening time. Then you have to calculate the timing also. So it is very important to create a date calendar. Please type it down there, Miss Mariam. Date calendar, DATE, date calendar. Yeah, anything you can write. Calendar also you will write. It's fine. It's basically a calendar table. We are creating a date calendar basically to understand or recall. Yeah, date calendar is equal to what is the function? Calendar auto. I mean, we will be going through in details of the different kind of
This one?
DAX we call it, right? Calendar auto. Yeah, close the bracket. Calendar auto is a function which can give you, please understand, I'm not taking very fast. This is just to give you an example, okay? What we'll be doing it for entire course, okay? We'll be going it in depth, in details, but this is just to showcase. Calendar auto is a function, and then put an enter, or there's a commit button is there. Commit button means there's a right click, yes. As you can see, there is a date calendar. Now you have to build a relationship. As I mentioned, already you have your table ready, which is next to your close line, correct? Now this is your table for dates. Very important. Please understand, any data time intelligence, any of the things, dashboard you're creating, you have to create a date calendar. You have to create a date calendar. Now we have to create a relationship. Okay. How to create relationship? Now you have to understand. Mr. Rashid, are you there with me? You please stop me. Please stop me wherever you find any difficulty.
Yes, I'm following the screen.
Okay. If I'm going ahead, please stop me. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, can you quickly check here in closed bank table, what the columns are common? Is there any column related to the date? Is there anything related to date? It is starting with, what is the closing date? Yes. As you can see, the top one is there. Acquiring institution, it is not related. Bank name, not related. Certification, something cert is there, not related. State, city, not related. But closing date and this date is related. What you have to do, you please drag and drop. Please drag the date table, vice versa. And yeah, you can drag this thing vice versa, no problem. Do that also, no problem. Yeah. Yes, hold on. Please hold on. Now you are, as you can see, it is talking about new relationship, right? We have to build a relationship between the tables, right? Why we are doing it? Again, to build a beautiful dashboard. Reduce down the granularity, reduce down the different kind of, the date table. They have to relate it, right? On this day, how many banks are closed? Because of that, we are creating this relationship. Now, sorry. Now, as you can see, this is from the table. As you can see, it is written closing date, right? Just see if it is rightly matched or not. I can see from table closed bank, it is closing bank is different color, little dark color. And here, as you can see, this is little below, and below one, which is the calendar, is little dark color. That means these two are selected. Now what we have to do, and what is the cardinality? Please understand, I will go through in details, but cardinality is basically building the relationship. It is talking about many to one relationship. There are 4 different kind of relationship. Please, 1 second, Mariam, can you please, there's a drop down is there. Yeah, there's a relationship which is many to one, one to one, one to many, many to many. Please remember, we encourage, in Power BI, we encourage many to one or one to many relationship only. If there is a many to many relationship, it will be a disaster. We have to create a brief table. I'll talk about all these things in the coming sessions. Now, please close and save. Please go and save. Many to one is there, that is fine. One to many to one are fine. And also make this thing relation active. You can see there's a button is there called active. This you have to you check in. I'll tell you when to active, when not to active. But here we have to create it active and save it, please. Voila. So you have nicely created the relationship. Now go back to your this one, report view, canvas. We'll go very slow. This is the first day. I am just showing you how it works. We'll break it down one at a time. Now, can you create, Mariam, your first DAX? DAX is basically, what is the full form of DAX? Data analysis expression. Okay. Tomorrow I'll ask you this question. I'm telling it to you. Okay. The MCQ would be there. So data analysis expression. All the I have shared a document which is mentioned. But anyways, try create a matrix. Right? No, let's create a card visual. Right. 1, 2, 3 card visual. No, not required to go there. There are other two. Another two are there. One is the DAX query, and recently, of late, this is a new TMDL view has come. we will park it. It is not covered in this session. I need to even explore. It is hardly a day or two which I've launched TDML. But DAX query, I can touch upon few DAXs, how to evaluate, how to do these things. That's the fourth one. First is report view. Second is what? Second is data. Table view, data view, yeah. And the third one is model view. Please remember these three things. And the fourth one is the DAX query view. That is not important. The last one is also not important. But important is first three things: the report view, the table view, and the model view. These three are very important. Yeah. To create a beautiful dashboard, these are very important. Now come to the visualization pane. When I say visualization pane, please understand these terms so that it will be easier to do a report quickly. Yeah, so this is visualization pane. This is called visualization pane. As I mentioned, there are 28, 29 is there. Apart from that, also there are custom visuals which are from different other visuals. Thank you, whoever. There was some kind of noise earlier. Okay. All right. So let's do it. The card visual 1, 2, 3. The last row. Yes. So the new visual has come, which is card visual. This is almost 6 months old, but this is very fabulous in terms of using all things. Okay. Can you create a basic DAX first today? At least we'll close it with the creating one DAX. Are you guys okay?
Yes.
Miss Chiquita, are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you, but I do not have the new version, so I don't have the card visualization.
Right.
But
Yeah,
I
no
will
problem.
Monday I'm at the office, and then I will ask the ICT department to download
Yeah,
the new
download the
version.
latest version. Wonderful. Great. Girish, you're with me?
Yes, I am.
Okay, Mr. Rashid, all good?
All good. I'm still following. I am a bit lost, but I will check
No,
everything.
no problem.
Yes.
Anywhere if you lost, you
Yeah.
just ping me. It's okay. I will stop and we'll go to little extent also if required. Okay, let's create the first DAX of today. Okay. Before you create a DAX, can we go to the model view once again, Miss Mariam, please? Model view. Yes. Okay. Now what we'll do is to understand the measures. We'll be creating many different kind of DAX, right? I hope you understand what is DAX. Basic DAX is a syntax, right? Yeah, exactly. Hold on, Mariam. I know you are excited, but yeah, the thing is we are creating a kind of separate table for all the measures, because measures we'll be creating 5, 6, 7, 8 measures, which may make your table very congested. So we don't want that table make very messy. We want a very clear cut a separate table for measures. Okay, now we'll talk about measures. We'll talk about all these things first, just to understand how it goes. Click the enter data button. There's a ribbon called it. There's an enter data button. Please click there. Why I'm doing it here, and when I'm relating, when I take you through all the topics, then you'll understand, okay, this is how it can be done. Please change the name as table to measures. You can put an underscore before than that. Change the table name as measures, MEASURES. But before than that, please put a underscore, so that it should come on the top of your table. Before, not after, before. Why we're doing it? Underscore, yeah. Please load it, because it will be placed on your data pane. I'll show you where it will be placed. Now, yeah, now can you see there's a new measure table has come into this model view. Okay, Power BI is not at all tough. Only thing is little bit of 2, 3 different kind of softwares are there that we have to keep a track of it. Now, can you take your cursor to the data view? Can you take the data view? You have to be careful. What is data view? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, data pane. You can see data pane. One thing is the measure. The top. Yeah, exactly. The top table named measure. Okay. So as you can see, there is no, there's the expandable version is there also. Just click that expandable. Guys, another 5 minutes, I'll be closing the session. Another 5 minutes. Just give me 5 minutes, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. And similarly, can you go to the close bank queries, the close bank table? You can see, yeah. Can you put that non-expandable and expandable? Can you show everyone how it is? Yes. Can you see it is expandable? It is not expandable. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Close it down again. Okay. Down there is a date calendar. Can you show that also? We have only one column, which is the date. Okay. We will do coming session will be creating date calendar in year, month, quarter, blah blah blah. Okay. Coming to now your measure table. Go to the measure table, and let's create data view only, and let's create our first create. There's a right hand side, new measure. You can create this way also, and you can create by right clicking as well. Yes, exactly, by right clicking you can create new measure. So go to new measure and open your requirement is what? This txt file. What is talking about? Total. The first requirement, the first KPI card you need to create is total banks closed. What is the total banks closed? New measure you're creating. Guys, you're creating new measure, okay? Total banks closed. You're naming it, the measure as total banks closed equals to, I'll be repeating it. Yeah. What is the formula? Can you tell me anyone?
So,
Okay. Okay. So one second, no problem, no problem. So here we are trying to create a measure. Measure is what? Okay. Measure is what? It is about a calculation, right? We are understanding what is the how many banks are getting
yeah.
closed on total entire table. How many banks are closed? As you can see, there is a function called distinct count. Distinct count. Can
Yeah.
you see? Can you put the
Yes.
distinct count? Yes. Can you click it there? Distinct count. See, this is very easy. It will prompt you. DAX will prompt you. What you wanted to put, it will prompt you. And same time, can you go to the bank name, close bank name? Can you go to close bank
Yeah.
name? Yes, and close it. There's a close. This thing would be there. First bracket and put enter commit. This is how. And go to report view, please. Go to report view, please. Commit. Go to report view. You are in model view. Go to report view. Take your first measure to the card visual. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Yes. What is the count? Voila. So 553 banks are closed. We will go slowly. We'll go one at a time. This recording would be there, but go through this. And today we'll stop with this. And any questions, anything, please feel free to ask me.
Yes.
Hope the pace is okay. Any issue with the pace? I'm showing you all the tools, all the kind of how it looks, and warming up with the how you handle the different kind of tools. Going forward, we'll be going very slow, and also we'll be touching upon all the tools. Right?
Yes.
Are we okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
One question. Can I share what I have? Because I also have the
No.
553, but it's more in a table form.
Show me, please. Mariam, if you can
Miriam.
unshare, and let's Ms. Shikita can share.
Thank you, Miriam.
Yes.
Thank you, Mariam.
You're
Yeah. Thank you. No, I'm seeing only, yeah.
Yeah, just 1 second.
No problem. Take your time. Okay,
this is what
no worries.
I
So you have
created.
taken a different visual. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Oh yes, because I don't have the new
You
one.
do not have the no problem. Can you take the card visual? There is a card visual is there, which is the next to the gauge part. Yeah, next to gauge. Next to gauge.
Next to
Five
page.
and
This
yeah,
one.
yeah, card. Yeah. Can you take that?
Yes.
Can you take that?
Yeah.
Well,
Yes.
all
Okay. Perfect. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Good. Well, welcome. Girish, you wanted to share?
Yeah, I have it already. One moment.
Yeah, please share. Wanted to understand how we have gone so far, how the pace is. Yes, exactly. Can you share your model view as well? I wanted to check if it is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Perfect, perfect. All perfect. Super. Done. Okay. Mr. Rashid, if you can also, you're at par with this. Any challenges? Have you created this first visual?
No, I lost. I don't know where my file is, so I lost everything. So I
Okay,
have
no
to go
problem.
to
No
the.
problem. No,
I will sit with
what?
Girish and then.
Okay. If you want me, I will also sit with you. If you want, I can sit and we can check and we can finish
No
that.
problem.
And Mariam, you are okay. Everything is fine. So let's do
Yes,
one thing.
yes.
Yeah, let's do one thing. Girish, Mariam, and Miss Chiquita, and try to create, and also Mr. Rashid, try to create different kind of visuals from
Yeah.
here based on the requirement. There are different kind of KPI
Yeah.
cards there. Based on that, try to create at home. Again, tomorrow will be coming the same time. Let's
Yes.
tomorrow also have the session, and then we'll decide based on your availability and so on. I hope the session is as per your expectations. Please let me know.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes,
far,
yes, okay.
it's as per the
Yep.
expectations. Okay. Okay.
Yes, it is.
Please do share, and we will be doing a lot of hands-on sessions, and also we'll be focusing a bit of PL 300 questions because this will help you to passing the certification.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Any questions, anything, please feel free to reach out to Mr. Giovanni. And also great thanks to Mr. Giovanni. With your effort, we have reached out to you. Without your support, it was not possible reaching out to you. So thank you, Mr. Giovanni, for organizing this session.
Yes, thank you also very much, Shwarna. Apologies again for the background noise.
Oh
Thank
no.
you for
Okay.
thank you for today. Also, thanks to Shito, and most thankful for our participants who have joined today. Also, I hope that they've found it very informative, very insightful, and that they've learned also a lot. And of course, we're looking forward to meeting you tomorrow, same time, 10 a.m. And then from there forward, I've added you all to a WhatsApp group. Miriam, I see that you need to accept for some reason. Please accept the group. And then we will post updates and notifications throughout the week also. As soon as the recordings are available, we will share it in the group also.
Yes,
Yes?
I joined. Thank you. Yes.
Yes.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you
you
all.
all.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Tomorrow,
Yes, have a
bye-bye.
nice day.
Yes, same time. Mr. Rashid, do you want me to share something, or you can coordinate with anyone?
No, I will set with Girish to go
Okay.
through this because
Any
it
difficulties,
will take some
please?
time.
Oh, no
Yes,
problem. No problem.
sure.
Please take your time. And any difficulties, feel free to reach out to us.
Sure. Thank you very
All
much.
right. Great day.
Okay.
Good day.
See you.
Bye-bye.
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 All right, everyone. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you
Shwana,
tomorrow.
thank you
Same
very
time.
much.
Bye. Bye, Giovanni. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, goodbye. Bye-bye.